looking at the what? What is that? Wait, Tay, put your hand on this.
See those?
It makes the little sound. Thomas is going! Thomas is going! Oh. Keep going, Ruby. Keep going. Oh no, Thomas is going back. Wait, Thomas! Wait, Thomas!
Press that one. Look at something.
Thomas is going this way now. On it. Wait up. Wait up. The Dominic Rex is coming. It's going back.
All right, hurry up, you guys. You don't want to miss the carousel.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm going on the last part. I was going that for me. Let's go on the white one, Teddy.
Go.
Yeah.
Thank you and enjoy your ride. All aboard!
This is fun.
Yes.
Oh, you mean this part? You mean this part of the playground? That was going way faster. I'm in the ground too. Yeah. That is a small one. I thought it was small. Look at that tree. Whoa. Cool.
Look at that tree.
Wow! We're so close to it. It's gonna get I'm the Dominics. The Dominics is right behind us. Oh, there's a jumping spider. But not a jumping spider. Oh, it's alive, it's alive. Dad, can you help?
Yeah. Here, Ruby, come over here.
You have to hold on to that handle with the jumping. Cheese. Cheese. Daddy, Dad.
Yeah. Yeah, it's taking a video.
I got this. This is not even more, Teddy. Here. Hey, stay right there. I'm gonna be right back. Stay. Wilbur!
Yeah.
I hurted myself on my head. Ow. We can look at this cool dinosaur. Yeah, he died. I'm Fred. That's a dinosaur. Your friend was a dinosaur? Yeah, I'm the Dominic Rex. That's not a Dominic Rex. And then, well, that's good. I'm gonna wait it. Ow! Weekend. Ow!
1, 2.
Me too.
All right, remember not to swing on it, okay?
Me.
Here, Ruby.
Me.
I filled it up.
I'll hold this. Me.
Okay.
One. Wait, can I get a sec?
Yep, I filled it up.
Oh wait, whose is this?
That's yours. I filled it up. Ready? All right. Hold on, Ruby. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2.
Good job, Teddy.
Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go.
Videotape it. Oh, I'm gonna go backwards. Wait, Teddy. I wanna go again.
All right, let go, Bear.
I wanna go.
2.
I'm going backwards.
So, what do you guys think of the train park?